I often get this question like, hey, can international students work outside of campus? Can they work while studying here in the US? If you want to know more about that, then stay until the end because I'm gonna talk about that today. As per the United States law, international students cannot work outside of campus while studying here in the US. They can only work on campus for 20 hours a week. The only time they can work for 40 hours a week is when they are off track. They are not full-time. They are a part-time student at that moment. So what do you do? How can you work outside of campus? Because you want to have that experience, right? So there are two legal ways on how to work off campus. And you might want to enjoy working off campus, don't you, right? On your summer break or summer semester, summer session, or summer quarter, whatever your university is calling it, you can actually work outside of your campus. You can go wherever you want to go, California, Texas, New York, you name it. But the only thing you have to do, and remember you have to do this in order for you to work outside of your campus. When you find a job, talk to your university, especially your international services office. Talk to them, have them review the job that you found, have them approve it. If they don't approve it, find another one. So that's one way. If you don't do that, then you're gonna be in trouble. You're gonna lose your status as an international student, and you might have to talk to a lawyer or an attorney to reinstate your student visa. You don't want to be in that situation. The second tip is basically the same thing, but instead of just going on a summer break, because summer break is just a little period of time. Every student here in the US, whether you are international or local, are allowed to go and study for a full year, a full school year, and then take a break for a year. And during that break, you can go on and work outside of campus again. But the thing is, you have to do the same thing. Find a job, talk to your international services, have them review and approve the job. Because if you don't do that, you know what's gonna happen. But most international students don't want to do this because there is a caveat related to it. Remember, everything that you do, every work outside of your campus that you do, you have to have them approved and reviewed by your school, your international services office, because they will consider those as part of your internships. So if you do an internship for a full year and full time, then you're gonna lose your OPT opportunities. Don't be scared, but because OPT is what we call optional practical training, you're gonna do that after you finish your degree, you finish your, for example, your bachelor degree. But if you did an internship for a full year and full time, then you're gonna lose that OPT opportunity. And if you did a 6 months internship for full time, then you can only do an OPT for 6 months after your degree is done. So how do you avoid that, losing that opportunity for your OPT? First off, if you are doing a STEM major, meaning you are doing something science, technology, engineering, or math, then you get 3 years of OPT, and the rest will just get a year. So how do you avoid losing your OPT opportunity? So it's a little bit simple. You go for a full year, for a full school year, for a year, and instead of like doing a 6 months full-time, find a part-time internship, and find part-time internships for a year or something like that, or no, 6 months, and you're not gonna lose your OPT, and then you can actually graduate faster because you're not doing a full year off. Those are the good tips that I've got for you today. If you liked this video, please share, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so, and do not forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss anything about how to come to the US as a student or as a worker. Until next time, I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.